Dork doesn't even know what it is.
Let's help her, John. Help her.
This is my very own. That is what I wanted.
That's what he wanted.
Hey,
What?
let me see what you got. What is it?
Hey, Mom, this
What is
one
it?
is mine too.
What?
Is this one mine too?
Wait, Dylan. What is it, Logan?
Where do you use it?
On the snow.
Is it a sled? It's an inner tube sled?
Guys, yes. Look.
Cool. Like those kids were using and going really fast?
Yeah.
So, who is it for?
That is so what I wanted.
Dylan Fuller? Good. That one's for you then?
Okay.
Who's it for? Wait.
Logan, you can open one out.
Dylan, who is it from?
Me.
No, who is it from?
Santa.
Nope. Ask Logan to read who it's from.
Logan, who's it from?
It is from Happy